Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the retained accessory power, guys, on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. By the way, guys, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, and we will explain in the description of the video below where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So the Retained Accessory Power, fuse and relay, where you can expect to find them, guys, we'll show you on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners of that Chevy Equinox do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. We need to open the front right passenger door, guys. Come in the footwell compartment. You see that part of the center console here? If you look at it closer, that's a cover. Open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here, guys, what we need to check for the retained accessory power, we need to check one relay first, then we'll talk about the fuses as well. Looking at the fuse box, numbers are a little bit confusing. For instance, that's fuse 1, 2, 3, but then you see that relay, actually that's relay 42, so always double check everything. But that relay 42 that you see right here, that's the retained accessory power relay. What about a fuse? You don't have a fuse, guys, but if you still have problems with your Chevy Equinox, things that we'll recommend to always check: fuses and relays for the body control module, BCM, fuses and relays. We'll have the video on the channel if you need to see where they're located. And fuses, relays for the engine computer, guys. Always check this if you have problems with your Chevy Equinox. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.